Hello everyone, my name is Dorcas. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can create a social media flyer. On today's video, we'll be creating something like this. So this is what we'll be creating in today's video. We'll go into that right away. So I'm going to get a background. Right, I'm going to use a shape for the background. So this is the shape. I've gotten the shape, and then I'll go to my gallery to get the shoe that we'll be using. This is the shoe we're using, this Nike shoe. So this is the shoe we're using. So we're going to decide the color of the background from this shoe. We're going to use this orange or the blue as the background. Well, for this video, I'll be using this blue for the background color. So I'll go to color and change the color to blue to get the same shade of blue. I'll get it from here, then okay, and we have the background color. And if you can see from this, if you can see from here, you can see from this design that will have a stripe behind it. So for us to get this stripe, we can get it from our gallery, or we can get it from the stripes in pixelLab, because pixelLab has pre-made fonts. So we'll go to this here, these arrows here, and we can select in these stripes here just to enable it, and you can see these are the stripes. But I don't want to use this pixelLab stripe. What I want to do now is to get a stripe from my gallery. I'm going to get it from my gallery, so I'll get it and continue the video. Okay, this is the stripe that I'm using. This is it. Okay, I'll take it to the back and then feed this in too. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is make sure that the cursor is on this particular shape here, the blue shape. So what we're going to do now is to go to opacity. This is the opacity here, and then reduce the opacity so that the stripe effect can show. So we reduce the opacity, and this is okay. So we're going to place the shoe at the center. Okay, the shoe is well seated. So what we're going to do next is to type in our Nike. Okay, and go to our font. I'm going to select a font that we'll be using. I'll use this. We're using this font, and then I will increase the size. Okay, this is okay. So I'm going to click on this and then copy and make it to, I'll take one to the back. So I'll bring this forward and take this to the back. I'm going to centralize that so it will be centralized. Then I'm going to take this and bring it to the front yet. So I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to move this forward, take it up a little. It's okay. So I'll make sure that this is seated well on the second Nike. So I'll go to color and remove the color. I'll make it transparent. I'll move it from here to this area and click on OK. And then okay, the next thing I want to do is go to stroke. I'll go to stroke and enable the stroke, then change the stroke color to white. Reduce the stroke, and then make sure that it's well seated now, since we can see it clearly. Okay, you can see it's well seated now, and this is how to go about this. So what is next? We're going to type in, okay, we're going to type in some things. Working with Nike. So we'll go to test and edit. Working with Nike. Okay, that, and then place it over here. I want to move this three eye and the shoe, so I'm going to mark this and this, then I want to move it. Okay, that is done. So I'm going to change the font of this. Working with Nike. Okay, I'll use this. Reduce the size a little. 30 is okay. And then I'm going to get this, yes, and place it over here, then change the color to white. Reduce the size, and it's well suited. So the next thing I want to do now is to bring in the social media icons. I already removed the background, so when you get your social media icons, just remove the background. If you check the description of this video, you will see some of these logos there that you can get. If you can't get it yourself, you can check the description. I'll put it there for you. So these are the social media icons. I'm going to reduce the size, so I'm going to make this 7 and then move it down a little. Change the size also to 7 and then move it down. Change this also to 7 and then move it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and edit it at nike.com. So I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change the font. Okay, I'll use this extra bold. Yes. So this is it. This is our social media flyer. I hope you like the video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.